Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. Let's have fun at our construction site. We're going to learn about hydraulic excavators as well as front loaders. And we'll play with our toys. At our construction site, the dump truck has arrived to unload its bricks. And here comes the track excavator to help support the truck. We're ready to work. We need to build our brick wall first. The track excavator will help position the bricks into place. Ooh, I'm so excited. It's my turn. I'm ready to cut the bricks. At another construction site, a front loader brings gravel. It's working on a residential street to replace piping, and it needs the gravel to fill in the holes it made as it replaced the pipes. This track excavator has a bucket that has been removed. It needs a bit of repair. After digging a deep hole throughout the street, it needs to be replaced with a working one. We brought our construction equipment at the site to give a helping hand. Our track excavator is working. It has a working bucket, so it's going to be very useful. Here are the parts of the front loader. It has the backhoe, a cab, a tractor, a loader, stabilizing legs, and a boom. Well, that's it for us, guys. Thanks for watching. It's been so much fun having you along. Please subscribe to our channel and watch more videos. Also, check out more videos by clicking on our channel on the link provided above. Bye, everybody.